గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ టు ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. మీ అందరి కోసం మ్యాథ్స్ తో పాటుగా కెమిస్ట్రీ సబ్జెక్ట్ కూడా పడుతుంది. ఓకేనా, సార్ కూడా మనకి అవైలబుల్ ఉన్నారు. సార్ వచ్చి ఈ యొక్క క్వశ్చన్ ఈ యొక్క ప్రింట్ ని ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారు. ఓకేనా.
Now we will discuss about the 10th class 4th lesson, carbon and its compounds. So it's a very important for the polytechnic and other exams also. It is useful for the intermediate chemistry also. So now we will discuss about the 1 mark 1 bit. So identify the alkane. Identify the alkane. A option C2H4, B C5H10, C CH4, D C2H2. So in the 4 options, which one is the alkane? Answer is CH4. How to identify the alkane? So let us discuss about the structures. So we know the 3 types of hydrocarbons. One is the alkane, alkene, alkyne. So mainly al plus ane, alkane, ene, ine. The carbon bond, single bond carbon is called ane. Alkene, carbon double bond carbon is called ene, alkene. If carbon exists 3 bonds, it is a triple bond, is called alkyne. Okay, so the general formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. Alkene general formula is CnH2n. Alkyne general formula is CnH2n minus 2. So here, if carbon number of, if n is equal to, here n is equal to number of carbon atoms. So we know the number of carbon atom. The number of carbon atom shows the n. So here n is equal to 2. So n is equal to 2. C2H 2 into 2. So C2H4. So it is a alkene. It is a alkene. The structure of alkene is carbon, 2 carbons exist in ene means double bond. So C double bond C. So CH2 CH2. So it is an alkene. And C5, that's why double bond exists in double bond in between the 2 carbon atoms. So that's why it is an alkene. So C5H10 also, see here C2, number of carbon atoms, so 5, C5, n is equal to 5, H 2 into 5, so C5H10. See B option, it is also exist in a CnH2n formula, so that's why it is an alkene. It is an alkene. So the next one, CH4, n is equal to 1. So CH2 into 1 plus 2, C1H4. So it is exist in CnH2n plus 2 formula. So that's why the carbon exists in single bond. So that's why it is a alkane. The name is methane. The root word is the root word. So here 1 carbon, root word is methane. The primary suffix is ane. So methane, this is the name of the compound is CH4, methane. So it is an alkane. So identify the alkane. So C option is the correct one. CH4 is an alkane. The remaining C2H2 exists in this formula, ine, alkyne. So C2H 2 into 2 minus 2. So see here, C2H 4 minus 2. So C2H2. So here the carbon exists in triple bond. So that's why it is called an alkyne. Alkyne. The name is, root word is ethine. It is the IUPAC name is ethine. IUPAC name is ethine or acetylene. This gas is used for the welding purpose. Alkane, CH4 is a methane gas. It is a dangerous gas. So now we alkane is CH4, but we know the IUPAC names. So here this IUPAC name is methane, ethine, pentene, ethene. These are the IUPAC names of compounds. C2H4, ethene. So the structure of ethene is CH2 double bond CH2, and pentene, alkene. So pentene structure is 5 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in any 2 carbons exist in double bond, remaining single bonds. So how many hydrogens are there? 10. So here carbon valency is 4. So that's why 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. See, hydrogen, 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 and hydrogen. How many hydrogens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like that. See, C5. How many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C5H10. This is the structure of pentene. Once again, the double bond exists in first carbon, so that's why it is called also 1-pentene. Okay, so the next one, methane and ethine. Thank you.